The first time I ever saw a drum was a power drum, maybe 72 or 73. It wasn't until the late 70s or early 80s was the first time I ever saw a hand drum. When I drum, like I like drumming, I like making drums. I've heard it called the heartbeat of Mother Earth. There's a song called the Heartbeat song. It's from the Citxw or the Stalo Nation. It's like your heartbeat. And usually when I drum songs, like I try to go over the verse like once or twice so people kind of know what I'm about to do. So when you sing the heartbeat song, it's ooh.